box. This is the way it comes from the factory. Again, this is the floor mats. Rubber, there's rubber or cloth. I'm a big fan of WeatherTech. WeatherTech has coming soon on their website for the floor mats for this truck. I'll probably buy WeatherTech or ask someone hint to get me WeatherTech floor mats for the truck. I love WeatherTech. These look, to me, I saw them at the dealership, they look like a nice quality. They don't look chintzy or there's nothing wrong with them, I would say. It's interesting that, let's see what we got here. This must be driver front. Passenger maybe. Nope, this looks like, actually, let's pop this back to the floor. This looks like, interestingly, two pieces. Don't know why that would be, but
I think that's the back seat.
I'm backwards, and this goes.
This is the back seat.
Yeah, this is the back seat.
And they connect.
This connects for some reason. I don't know why. Maybe it'll become clear when I install it, but this detaches on one but not the other. So maybe it was manufacturing,
storage.
or maybe it was for storage.
Storage and shipping. Yeah.
And then it has a, this is very conventional. The car actually came with clips already mounted. So if you don't get cloth or these, you have the little buttons in the floor and nothing on them. So, when you're picking the car up, I would get one or the other. I don't know. I probably, if you're thinking you're going to get WeatherTech, I'd get the fabric, and I would have. They didn't have them, so I got the rubber. But the fabric I would probably put in the summertime maybe, and these rubber ones you can put in the rest of the year. So.
And then the last one here.
And on the other side. So we'll throw these in, show you what they look like in the car. Here they are, brand new. This one to me looks a bit like the front. So I know what, I'll do this after. Let me set that one here for now. This looks like it might also be the driver's side, maybe in the front. This one looks like it may be possibly your side.
Okay.
This one looks like it may possibly be my side. So
okay, so why don't you do that first?
So I guess this just drops down in, molded to fit perfectly. Well, that actually fits really well.
Those are nice.
Tucks right in, and then there's this other piece with this rounded top on it, and it kind of clips, I think, to the first one. Drop this in. Line that up with the clip. I think that's good. So that should hold this flap down. That's actually pretty cool that it has the center rubber on it. I guess that's not uncommon for a back floor cover, but they could have just done two separate ones and not protected the middle, but they got the middle too, so that's pretty cool. What do we got here? It's a couple of spare
USBs.
Looks like a Type C maybe. Yeah, it looks like it's got both Type C and Type A. Yeah. Which is actually
really neat.
Pretty good. Obviously Type C is what everybody's using now, all the new phones.
Now do the one in front of you, right there.
Yeah, so this is passenger side. That's, yeah, so yeah, you want to do it from that side?
Yeah.
This one's pretty, nothing clips it, nothing holds it, so it's easily just dropped in. I mean, it doesn't get in, I mean, obviously install video, ooh, yeah, so, not so much an install, show you what it is, like if you want it for yourself or if you want it for your truck. I mean, I imagine WeatherTech's going to come out with something that looks pretty awesome. It probably fits it almost identically. It's probably made even of the same material. So, new company, new truck, Grenadier, the Grenadier branded mats. They say Grenadier on them. It's kind of cool to have the actual Grenadier floor mats. I mean, for a rubber mat's a rubber mat. We'll see what WeatherTech comes up with. These don't really look like they could hold a lot of anything. I mean, there's a shallow well. It'll hold some. WeatherTech mats, like, looks like you could pour like a half a gallon of water in them to, like, hold on to it. Right. But there's not looking like there's a place where you could actually put a lip and not make a obstacle to get through. So I'll be curious what WeatherTech comes up with. Right. But these look great and they fit perfectly. I mean, obviously they should. So this front one, it's even a little bit more minimalist, but it has, it has two plastic snap features on it, and in the floor already. These were already. I can do that. These were already in the floor. You can one here and one here. And interestingly, I didn't take it out, but right in the middle here, you can see like a screw feature. I believe you can twist that. Maybe it's a quarter turn, and this whole is already like a floor cover that will come off. probably reveal the metal floor underneath it or the sound deadening. I'll take it off at some point. But these are already removable to some degree. So I don't think it's the end of the world if things get scratched or, you know, the little goo.
Or if you get anything liquid under it, it can all be washed out.
Oh yeah,
anyway.
and the whole truck's rinsable with floor drains and splash proof. So, you know, it can handle the liquid. That's not the issue. This is like a nicety, like, you know, keep sand and stuff from getting down in the cracks, prolong the condition of your truck. So let's see. It looks like goes in. Flip that one down. Flip that one down.
Wow.
Fits tight. Fits nice.
It looks great.
Good. It's sharp. Like the hex pattern on it.
It's one of the nicer floor mats I've ever seen.
Stock, I mean, but look how nice it's like trimmed to fit perfectly. Back up to the seat back here, or the, you know, not the seat back, but the mounting, the back of the mounting frame for the seat.
Oh,
it looks nice. I like them. I mean, you know, reasonable money. I don't think they're any more expensive or less expensive than what WeatherTech probably will offer in other brands. So there you go. Hopefully that gives you some information about what you might want to spec for your truck.